Come back. Now we have the Hot Wheels, the action Hot Wheels. So they have like 3 tracks. So I'm here with my son Jürgen. So now we are going to open these Hot Wheels. I think it's supposed to be good. So as you can see here, there's a lot of lists of the items, and then they have also the tracks and the cars. Okay, let's open it. Open it.
There's the scissors.
Okay, we use the
In
scissors.
what we can change the tracks.
Yes. Okay, let's open.
Let's open the tracks.
I'm afraid it's broken. Oh, this one. Oh, yes. There's a clip on it.
And
Left and right. Whoa, it's so cool.
how many cars we can?
I don't know. Wow, what
We got the Hot Wheels instructions.
we got? Okay, we got the instructions. Oh, there is a number. The winner 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we can put it this like this. When we race, who's gonna win? Okay, let's put it aside. What we
Oh, we got the race car.
Wow, is that the white one? It's so cool.
I like. Oh, we got another one.
So they have 2 cars inside.
Wow, I like it.
Hmm.
Let's see which one we got to pick.
Let's see. Now we have to open first. What is inside?
This is a race car.
Can you move your Hot Wheels, please?
Yes.
Sorry, Hot Wheels. So I have instructions like how to make all the tracks here. So actually they have 3 types of tracks.
And we got 2 cars.
Oops, oops. Yep. Oh, it's so cool. Look at that. Wow, they have a woolly. Wow, so good. And they have the puncher.
Woo!
Punch
The
all the
car.
car, the Hot Wheels. So inside this, we can put inside 2 cars. So cool. Wow.
Car. I want to see what the car looks like.
Let's see the track first. I think.
I think it will break.
Wow. And then this one, we can just slide it. Right.
Wait.
Okay. Now we will try to make it. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see how we're going to make the track. Let's check it out. What's cool about this is that they have all the instructions. You can make the track A, you can make the track B, and then there's an option of the track C. And they have also instruction in here like how to tidy up. So now I'm going to try to make the first track. I will try the track A. Let's go, friends. Okay, the track A is ready. See, there's 2 puncher here for the car, and then they add 4 tracks for each car. And there is a tornado there. And see who's gonna win. So they have a number. So it will come out here. Like which car is the winner who finished first. See at the back here, there's number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, let's race.
So we are preparing.
So how many cars you got?
4 cars.
4. Okay,
Wait,
let's
sorry.
see. What are the cars' name?
This is sports car.
Okay, let's see.
And this is the old one. This is the new one.
All right.
So
So this is the new 2 ones, the new ones. So we have the white one
And the
on the
red
track number 4, and we have the red one on the track number 3, and we have the blue and the white one, track number 2 and 1. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready, Mr. Pilots or driver?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see who's gonna win. 3. Woo! Oh, loose! What are you doing? Ready, guys?
Yes.
Okay.
3, 2, 1,
go!
go!
Oh, who's gonna win? Number 3. Number 3 is winner. Is the winner, and in case you see, number 4 is stuck here. So the winner is number 3.
Win!
This is
You can see number 3 is the winner.
and number 4 was stuck in
Stuck
the middle.
and then fell off from the track.
Okay. Now because this is
Okay, now we do a rematch. What?
we change a car. Here is a truck.
Truck.
So this is Team Red and this Team White.
Okay,
Maybe
who's
Daddy-
gonna win? Team
Team
Red or Team White?
Daddy,
Let's
Daddy,
see. Ready,
Set.
set, go! Oh, Team Red is the winner. Wow. Okay, now we're gonna do the other track, the plan B1. Let's try the B track. Let's make it.
Oh, we already finished. Make it for the track B. As you can see, there is no rolling tornado, so it's like go straight. Let's see. Are we going? Who's gonna win? Jorgo already prepared the car. Team Red and Team White. So number 1 and 2 is on the Team Red, and number 3 and 4. Sorry, it's number 1 and 2 is on the Team White, and number 3 and 4 is on the Team Red. So who's gonna win? Are you gonna win?
Yeah. Because
Okay.
I just saw in the tornado, it just win, you know.
Okay, let's see. I think I'm the one who's gonna win. Let's see who's gonna win. So you guys, who's gonna win? You choose Team Red or Team White.
Okay.
3, 2,
2, 1,
1.
go. Number 4.
Wait, wait.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, mine.
No!
It's mine. The white one. I think this is all the track. Let's see the replay.
So who win last time?
Jurgen's winner. Okay, so over here is the track C, where like you are on the hill, it will go around and then go to the tornado flip and then to the finish line. Let's see who's gonna win. So we have
Team Red.
the Team White in the line 1 and line 2, and the Team Red in the line 3 and 4. So Jurgen is gonna be the driver. Who's gonna do it?
Team
Are you ready?
Yes.
So who's gonna win? Which one you gonna choose?
Team
Friends?
Red!
Red, Team Jurgen, or Team Daddy, Team White? Ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Get set. In the
3, 2,
2,
1,
1,
go!
go! Oh! Team White, number 2's win! And you can see the number 4 is just fall down. And then Jurgen took it because he lost.
Because it worked.
Wow, number 2. So this is the winner, the Hot Wheels winner. Okay, let's try the second round.
We don't know who will win, but we will try who will win. Team Red or Team White?
I'm gonna go with the Team White because they are the winner. Let's see the Team Red gonna win.
3,
2, 1, go! See? It's Team White. So this car is lighter and it's very good in the balance, and he's the winner.
And
we
wait.
have the winner here. How to dance as a winner? Okay, we did it. We did it. So, okay, he's the winner.
So let's try this.
Thank you so much for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we're gonna make another Hot Wheels video later, or maybe a games. Don't forget to subscribe and likes. See you on our next video, and
And
bye bye.
bye-bye.
Bye bye.